हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू कोडेरा। तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे डिफरेंस बिटवीन DBMS एंड RDBMS एंड हियर इज अ ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट देम। सो DBMS एक ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर होता है जिसकी हेल्प से हम डेटाबेस क्रिएट एंड मैनेज कर सकते हैं एंड RDBMS उसी का एक एडवांस या एक्सटेंडेड वर्जन है। सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट देयर डिफरेंस इन डिटेल। सो फर्स्ट डिफरेंस है कि DBMS जो है वो हमारे डेटा को फाइल्स में सेव करके रखता है और RDBMS हमारे डेटा को टेबल्स के फॉर्म में स्टोर करता है। नेक्स्ट इज DBMS स्टोर डेटा इन हायरार्किकल और नेविगेशनल फॉर्म while RDBMS store it in the tabular structure. For example, this is the navigational form used by DBMS. It uses level concept and also has the parent-child relation. So there will be a single parent for each node. And this is the tabular structure used by RDBMS, where the headers are the column name and the row contain its corresponding value. Third is that DBMS don't have any normalization concept, but RDBMS provide us normalization. We have already discussed what is normalization and why we need it. I have already made a video on it. If you want to see, just click the I button or I have already provided a link in the description. Next difference is that in DBMS there is no relationship exist between the data, while as RDBMS store data in table, it has relationship between the data. You can see here that there is no relationship between data. But here there are two tables are related to each other. And if we talk about the security, then RDBMS provide more security as compared to DBMS, because in RDBMS whenever we do any manipulation on the data, we do it according to ACID property, which helps to maintain the consistency and also it prevent from any data conflicts. Next difference is that in DBMS problem of data redundancy is common, while in RDBMS there will be no such problem exist because it provides key and index concepts. And DBMS is suitable to use in a small organization because it can easily deal with the small amount of data. But if we have large amount of data, then one should go with the RDBMS. And also RDBMS can support multiple user, while DBMS supports single user. As we know, DBMS is good for a small quantity of data. If we use large amount of data, then the data fetching process will be slow. But in RDBMS, data fetching is fast, regardless the amount of data stored. Some example of DBMS are XML and Microsoft Access. And the example of RDBMS are MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server and so on. So now I hope there will be no confusion between DBMS and RDBMS. So that's all about today's video. If you like it, so please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.